Hey y'all, I've got a package today and I'm gonna open it. We're gonna see what's in here. This just came UPS today, and I threatened my husband and told him not to open it. I'd open it when I got home. So, let's see if that works. So nice little letter from the seller. So I bought this off of an auction site online. Looks like it's packed really good. Pull it out. And we'll keep cutting this package in. I needed a project, another one, of course, for this winter. I thought this would be something good to do. So I'm going to unveil it here. Looks like he did a good job of packaging it. That's what you want. Some of you already know what this is, just from what you can see. I'll turn it around just a smidge. The rest of this off. Little tape right here. Let me get it. Sorry, I'm not going too slow. I'm pretty excited about this. This is something that my husband and I had talked about doing. So, you can do down here. As you can see, it's a Singer 221 Featherweight. I was told it was a 1938. I've not looked up the serial number. It's not complete. It's missing, well, it's the spool pins in here, spool pin inside. So that's really nice. It's always nice when somebody will package a machine and take your spool pin plate off, so you don't worry about breaking the spool pin. It's missing the face plate. It's missing its bobbin case. I don't know if you guys can see down in there or not. It's missing a motor. And let's look, I'll set the spool pin aside, but let's look underneath. It's missing its plate, and it's felt down there. Does have a light. It's missing its light switch. Oops. So there's little like lock washers that go under these screws for the tray, so I'll be looking for some of those. So this is just something I picked up for a project. We're going to be cleaning this up and hopefully painting it this winter. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me just make sure there's not anything else in the box. No, I don't see anything else in the box. So like I said, there's a few things here that I'll have to get. The terminal case right here, the backlight, it's cracked, so I'll be replacing that. So I've got a project here, and that's good. It's always good to have projects. It's got an AE serial number, so I'll be looking that up. But pretty much almost complete, but not, so that gives me a good challenge. Of course, has the chrome hand wheel. It's got a modern tension on it, which I'm not sure about a 1938. I'll have to look that up. I don't know when they started putting the modern tension dials with the numbers on. But just wanted to share this with you guys. This is going to be our up and coming project, and I'll try to keep everybody posted. Thanks for watching.